What I want to do is, first of all, my name is Piyush, I'm from India. What I want to do is replicate the Google model in real life. What I see online is, what do you expect from Google? Give you free results, right? Give you free results, but Google doesn't charge you anything. It charges from the advertisers and it makes money from the advertisers. The same model I want to replicate in real life, in which can I expect when I go by bus, the bus should take me for free. When I go to the doctor should give me treatment for free, and he gets paid by some other means. So these are the models which I want to try. The first one is, let's start with learning things. Can we learn things for free and not pay anything for it? Maybe for the university courses or for any other thing. Maybe for painting, for photography, for sculptures, anything. So the model is, all those people who are interested to learn, they will meet at a place, and all those people who are interested to teach for free, they will share their skills for free. So everyone will learn for free. How we make money is, the advertisers can be corporates or can be entrepreneurs who can advertise while having the meetups, or may demonstrate their products as well. So we will make money by advertisements, but we'll organize things for free for everyone who wants to learn. So this is the simple idea. I'll close my pitch right here and be more interested for the questions. Awesome.
Alright, any questions?
And I have a habit of making profit from the first day. I made a profit of around 45 seconds. I finished 45 seconds before.
Oh,
Firstly, very interesting idea.
Thank you.
My question is, well, it's a very open subject to try to replicate Google's model in other industries.
In linguistics.
In other industries. As you said, transport or schooling. How could you make a proof of concept with a small economy that could prove that it's more viable on a larger scale?
With this example, I have already had 2 meetups, one on how to learn Photoshop and how to learn affiliate marketing, and from those meetups I got the confidence that people are liking it and they are encouraged to it. Now let's talk about some other model. Let's take gymnasium. We all go to gym, right? Can there be a model in which I take the services of the gym and the gym offers for free? I'll just quickly post an idea to you. Imagine if when you are riding on a treadmill, there is a game in front of you and it's online. So the more you ride, the game will be designed in which the more you ride, the more you cross the points. And imagine all who are in the gym, they are all internet connected, and you have a winner. So whoever makes more points wins. And that makes the model free, because maybe while on the game, suppose the game is about running, when the person is running, you will have advertisements flashed on that game. So the gym will earn from the advertisements, but you will have the gymming for free. Something like that. Similarly for the medical cases as well.
Those ads could probably be coming from Google Ads anyways.
Yeah, that's what, the real Google. Can we have Google not just on screen but on real life? Because I imagine we are on internet, maybe when you go home and when you Google things up, you are on the internet for 2 to 3 hours, but we are more of real human beings and real life. Can I just experience the Google thing by just walking out on the road? Can I have everything free?
For instance, you mentioned the learning platform that you already tried a little bit.
Yeah.
If I was wanted to, let's say, teach in one of the courses, how would you incentivize me to come to teach for free? What do I have out of it?
Yeah, I have a specific slide for that. Do you have that? No, no problem. So the incentive is advertisement. Your incentive would be you are in a subtle way marketing your own product or services. So you can demonstrate your own service or a product. I believe the best kind of marketing for any service is to demonstrate and convince people that you are good at it. A doctor doesn't need to put a big hoarding to say that I'm good. He just needs to heal one person and people will believe you are good.
But then your challenge would be to get a critical mass first, so that it would be beneficial for me to actually present.
That's true. That I agree with you. It's a tipping point thing in which at least I should have that kind of commitment to you that if you come, I will be able to gather 1,000 people in front of you. That's true.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you very much.